Bringing a newborn home is exciting but can also feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll cover essential newborn care tips every new mom should know, so you can feel confident and prepared. Newborns are delicate, so always support their head and neck when holding them. To bathe your baby, use lukewarm water and a mild fragrance-free soap. Until the umbilical cord falls off, stick to sponge baths to keep your baby clean without submerging them in water. Newborns sleep for about 16 to 18 hours a day, but in short cycles. To help them sleep better, swaddle them snugly, place them on their back in a safe sleep area, and keep nighttime feedings calm and quiet. Remember, no pillows or blankets in the crib, just a fitted sheet and a firm mattress. Newborns need to eat frequently, every 2 to 3 hours, whether breastfed or formula fed. Watch for hunger cues like sucking fingers, rooting, or fussiness. If breastfeeding, make sure your baby has a good latch. If bottle feeding, hold the bottle at an angle to prevent air bubbles. Expect to change around 10 to 12 diapers a day in the first few weeks. Always wipe gently from front to back to prevent infections. For diaper rashes, use a mild diaper cream and opt for fragrance-free baby lotions to keep your little one's skin soft and irritation-free. Caring for a newborn can feel overwhelming, but with these simple tips, you'll feel more prepared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more baby care tips. See you in the next video.